Good morning. This is another day, a different another day, a different dollar. Math 050, a lesson 3.8, section 3.8 in Math 050 if you're in my Math 050 class for the summer 2020. Today we talking about that concept that people don't like, equation of line with slope, y-intercept. That's what we're doing. Point slope, transforming point slope and standard form, either one of those to slope intercept form. So that's what the title of this is. 050 3.8 transforming point slope and standard form to slope intercept form. So obviously the instructions be find the slope and y-intercept of the following. So in standard form, that's what it looked like, right? So equation that looks like that with ax plus by equals c is in standard form. So that means something like this, where a is equal to 2. These are the numbers. The x's match up, plus sign here. This could be a minus 2. And then b is 3. And then, y is there, c, So solve this for y. This is one of the ways to find the slope and the y-intercept. So solve this for y. We're going to solve this thing for y. So we got to get y right here. This y by itself. That means we got to get rid of this 3, the 2x, throw that on the other side. So I'm going to subtract 2. We'll start off by subtracting 2x on both sides. So then my next line, this is gone. So we wind up with 3y, and then minus 2x on the other side and a plus the 6. But then we got to solve for y, so I have to divide everything by 3. So the 3's cancel here, and you get the y, and you get minus 2/3 x, and then plus 2, right? Because 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that's what's right here. And then if we follow this up, well, now we can clearly see that the m is this. If y equals mx plus b, the m is this, and the b is this. So the b is 2. So the y-intercept's 2, and the slope is negative 2/3. So that's how you do it that way. What about if it's in point slope form, which looks like this, right? So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So if it looks like this, let's just do a problem where it looks like this. So y's didn't change. Y1 is 2. The actual point is what? 1, 2, right? The actual x1, y1 point. And then 3 is the slope, right? So we already got that part covered. So if we try to transform this into y equals mx plus b form, we just got to move the 2 over there and then use the distributive property here. We got to multiply the 3 times x to get 3x, and then 3 times 1 to get minus 3. Remember, we added 2 on both sides, so that's on the outside over here. So that's why this dropped down. And then when we gather like terms here, we put these two together. So if you're in the whole $3 and you got 2, that means you still owe 1, right? So we got all of this dropping down, right? The y's dropping down, the equal sign, all that's dropping down. So now we can put y equals mx plus b up underneath. And you see the slope is 3 and the y-intercept's negative 1, right? Because this is negative here. So that's your answer. So that's how you do this, right? Math made easy by Mr. P, a.k.a. Stanley Pitchford.